Jeep CEO quoted as saying, "Our new compressed air engine will destroy the EV industry." Introducing the latest game changer in the automotive industry, Jeep's groundbreaking compressed air engine. In a bold move that challenges the prevailing narrative in an all-electric future, the CEO of Jeep has unveiled a technology poised to revolutionize the way we think about vehicles. This innovative engine isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the future, leaving the entire auto industry in awe and disbelief. Imagine an engine so advanced that it threatens to disrupt the dominance of electric vehicles, and that's precisely what Jeep's compressed air engine promises to do. With unparalleled fuel efficiency, boasting an impressive 120 miles per gallon, and an unprecedented reduction of nearly 99% in tailpipe emissions, it's clear that this isn't just another engine, it's a game changer. But what sets this technology apart? How does it work, and what implications does it have for the future of transportation? Join us as we dive into the details of Jeep's revolutionary compressed air engine and explore its potential to reshape the automotive landscape as we know it. In a world where alternative fuels have often faced resistance from major automakers, Stellantis and Jeep are breaking the mold with their game-changing hybrid air powertrain. This innovative system, featuring a 2-liter compressed air engine combined with petrol, represents a significant leap forward in automotive technology. By seamlessly integrating compressed air technology with traditional fuel sources, Jeep is achieving unparalleled fuel efficiency and performance. But how does it all work? The system comprises a compressed air tank, a low-pressure tank, and a hydraulic system, all working together in perfect harmony to deliver optimal performance. This synergy is the key to unlocking the potential of Jeep's revolutionary engine. Stellantis, known for its relentless pursuit of innovation, has been tirelessly developing this new range of engines, which has the potential to reshape the automotive landscape. With the ability to rival and even surpass electric vehicles in terms of efficiency and performance, these engines are poised to make a significant impact, and it doesn't stop there. Jeep's commitment to sustainability shines through in the design of its new transmission, boasting an impressive mileage of nearly 55 miles per gallon. But perhaps most impressive of all is the drastic reduction in CO2 emissions. By leveraging the latest advancements in engine technology, Jeep has managed to slash its average weighted CO2 emissions to nearly 95% of current internal combustion engine cars. It all began back in 2014 when Stellantis first introduced compressed air engines into their lineup with the PUO 308. These engines marked a significant milestone in automotive innovation, offering unprecedented efficiency that was further enhanced by reduced internal friction and the use of lock-up clutch converters to ensure optimal performance without any slippage. But what truly sets Stellantis apart is their commitment to reducing emissions across their vehicle range. Thanks to a combination of selective catalytic reduction and a particulate filter with additives, Stellantis models have achieved remarkable reductions in CO2 emissions, often reaching up to 90%. Moreover, this innovative combination virtually eliminates 99.9% of particulates, making their vehicles some of the cleanest on the road. So how does Stellantis work this magic? You know those battery electric hybrid vehicles like the Toyota Prius? Now imagine swapping out those heavy batteries for compressed air. That's exactly what Jeep's hybrid air technology does. By using compressed air for energy storage, a hydraulic pump motor unit captures energy from the internal combustion engine and from braking and deceleration, storing it as compressed air. It's a piece of engineering brilliance that not only maximizes fuel efficiency, but also minimizes emissions, all while delivering unparalleled performance on the road. The hydraulic air system is more than just smart. It's ingenious. With 3 distinct modes, gas only, air only, and combined, this system offers unparalleled adaptability to suit your driving needs. And thanks to its electronic management system, it automatically adjusts between these modes, ensuring optimal efficiency and performance at all times. Let's say you're cruising down the highway, enjoying the open road. In this scenario, the system seamlessly relies on the internal combustion engine to power your journey. But as you navigate through the city streets and your speed drops below 45 miles an hour, the system switches gears, tapping into the power of compressed air. It's a seamless transition that maximizes efficiency, especially in urban environments. And the benefits? They're truly massive, especially for city driving. Jeep claims that the system can slash fuel consumption by a whopping 50%, but that's not all. Vehicles equipped with this system can also see their range skyrocket by an incredible 90% compared to conventional engines of the same power rating. It's a game changer that redefines what's possible on the road. And here's the cherry on top. In city conditions, vehicles powered by the hybrid air system can operate solely on air power for an astounding 60 to 80% of the time. That's a game changer, offering unparalleled efficiency and reducing reliance on traditional fuel sources. PSA, currently testing this prototype, has set an ambitious target of achieving a combined fuel efficiency of 120 miles per gallon. But what about the cost? Stellantis and Jeep CEO Carlos Tavares are ahead of the curve here too. By eliminating the need for pricey battery packs, typically found in traditional hybrid vehicles, the hybrid air system not only becomes more affordable, but also simpler to install and maintain. Plus, it offers flexibility in passenger compartment design without compromising on trunk space, a win-win for both efficiency and practicality. It's an innovation at its finest, redefining the future of automotive engineering with every mile driven. Now, you might be wondering, why is the Jeep CEO against EVs? Carlos Tavares, the CEO of Stellantis, which encompasses 12 automotive giants including Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, and Dodge, has emerged as a vocal critic of the EV revolution. At the inaugural Freedom of Mobility Forum hosted by Stellantis, Tavares challenged the very foundation of the EV narrative, painting a grim picture of the EV landscape. While the world rushes to replace 1.3 billion gas-guzzling vehicles with cleaner electric alternatives, Tavares questions the feasibility of such a massive change. His primary concern? Scarcity. The lithium required for EV batteries might not be as abundant as we'd like to believe, and even if it were, bureaucratic hurdles and geopolitical tensions surrounding its extraction could make the transition to EVs a logistical nightmare. Moreover, Tavares highlights the environmental impact of EV production. The depletion of rare earth metals for batteries and the emissions generated in the process raises serious questions about the sustainability of EVs. Stamping a direct ban on internal combustion cars and shipping EVs priced over $50,000 with dismal range and useless tech gimmicks, according to Tavares, is something companies should be ashamed of. Tavares isn't alone in his skepticism. Germany, echoed by car makers like BMW and Porsche, has voted against combustion cars and is exploring alternative fuels. Financial implications of the EV push are equally concerning, with EVs already costing 40% more than their internal combustion counterparts. A combustion ban could further drive prices higher. Tavares proposes an alternative solution, replacing cars that are 15 years or older with modern equivalents like their brand new compressed air engine. This, as he argues, could result in a rapid 50% reduction in carbon dioxide emissions on average, offering a pragmatic approach to environmental sustainability without compromising on affordability or practicality. Other automotive giants like General Motors, Ford, Hyundai, and Rivian are also feeling the squeeze of rising battery material costs. The introduction of new EV tax credit initiatives, offering discounts on cars made in the US, has only added to the complexity of the situation. It's becoming increasingly clear that the automotive industry is standing on shaky ground, with policies that are more diverse than inclusive. Interestingly, Jeep itself hasn't been immune to the shifting market dynamics. Initially hesitant, they eventually had to jump on the EV bandwagon. However, they've been grappling with a constant decline in sales and a tarnishing brand image. Take the Jeep Wrangler, for example. In 2015, it would have set you back around $35,000 to $38,000. Fast forward to 2023, and the price has skyrocketed to a staggering $52,000. But this price hike isn't solely due to inflation or supply chain disruptions. It's part of a strategic move by Stellantis to reposition Jeep as a luxury brand. Unfortunately, this strategy, combined with quality control issues, has had adverse effects on Jeep's reputation. Automakers like Stellantis, Ford, and GM find themselves in a tough spot. They either sell their EVs at a loss or use their internal combustion business to offset their EV losses. This struggle isn't unique to Jeep. Volkswagen, for instance, recently lowered the prices of their ID.3 for the third time this year in China just to stay competitive in the market. Adding insult to injury are the luxury features that are increasingly becoming standard in EVs. I mean, take automated car parking, for instance, or even the ridiculous subscription for heated seats by BMW. With all this happening, the day isn't far when companies force you to pay a monthly subscription just to drive your car. Tavares has repeatedly emphasized that the middle class will be priced out of the EV market if automakers can't absorb the additional production costs. If subsidies are the only way to make EVs affordable, what happens when they're rolled back? Despite having a less aggressive EV strategy compared to its Detroit counterparts, Stellantis finds itself in a precarious position. Even its flagship electric pickup, the Ram 1500 REV, is expected to come with a gasoline-fueled range extender, hinting that the CEO isn't fully on board with electrification. This is where their new engine could come in. Imagine a car that returns 120 miles per gallon, has nearly zero tailpipe emissions, and is also priced affordably. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, not for long. Do you think Jeep's new engine could overthrow EVs? Let us know in the comment section down below.